you think Lewis Hamilton is the best of all time?
Lewis Hamilton is the face of F1 if you're being honest.
That's what you're defending today.
How many F1 do you know in F1?
Why not Pandey?
We have a point.
7,
We have a
3.
point.
He has dominated the game for a really long time.
Yeah, is he not capable of understanding that much?
So
many years of racing and still not this.
F1 is not just a car thingy, it's a driver and car.
Exactly.
Whatever helps you sleep in the night.
There is only one goat, which is RV.
Lewis Hamilton wins the turn. Max Verstappen is champion of the world.
Let's go, guys! It's hammer time.
Boys, no, Michael, no, that was so not right.
Goat of all time.
Was it right?
Sir Hottie Lewis Hamilton, please go ahead.
That's what you're defending today.
8-time world champion, I don't have to defend.
And that's what got him the
Also a
championship.
nice-
Went Dutch in 2021.
Yeah, that's
I
what you
believe.
just said.
Great driver, great driver,
times
great
world
driver,
champion.
also.
Yeah.
Our guys
Thanks,
also
God.
a night, guys. Let's start.
Pick up the first.
Yep.
Exactly.
I mean, your Max's team, you anyway get a head start, so go ahead.
Lewis has proved 7 times why he's the real GOAT. Matt says it's more than 3 times.
Math is mathing, I guess.
I mean, that's
And
the best you've got?
Statistics says
That's the
I
best
mean,
you've got?
7-3, I would say that's more.
What's the age gap?
Yeah. When did he
Not
start?
even-
Okay, no. So you think Lewis Hamilton is the best of all time? You heard about this guy called Michael Schumacher.
We're talking about is time ka era.
You would not put him in the
Yeah.
GOAT debate, right? But do you know Lewis has never driven a lower than fourth fastest car his entire career?
Because he's
always
worked
had-
that hard to reach that car.
Max doesn't deserve the best car.
Skill wise, purely
Yeah.
skill wise.
Purely skill wise.
Yeah, why
has
not?
it.
He
He
has,
has it,
and
I
he's
guess.
also got 3 titles, which is what the point says. 7 titles, 3 titles. 7 is more than 3.
which is what I'm
Thank
saying.
you.
क्लास 11th का मैथमेटिक्स कोर्स शुरू हो चुका है
You think, and first of all, the McLaren thing. 2008 fair and square, he was skillful in the entire season.
Yes.
More than 4 championships I can count on the top of my head. He won without least a negligible competition or no competition.
Are you saying Lewis had no competition, or he had
obviously not.
nobody?
Lewis
He
already
won
had
that
best
fair and
competition.
square. You would
2008,
agree,
yes.
right?
Right.
2008 yes
He
rest
was-
of the years
That's
was
it.
racing
That's
with
it.
Kimi
एक साल
Raikkonen.
fair and square. अगले साल उसको
2020.
ट्रॉफी
rest
पकड़ा
of the
के
years
दिए.
he had the fastest car which dominated it not
And
just
to
the
be
Okay,
fastest
let's
car.
be honest. F1 is not just a car thingy. It's a driver and car.
Exactly.
I mean, Lewis won.
Whatever
Also
helps you
lost in
sleep in the
21.
night.
Lewis isn't in the race anymore.
I like
Lewis,
the, I like the
Lewis
start.
isn't in the race
Like the
anymore.
start already.
He's just watching Max face the next generation challengers.
ये बहुत ही
I
delusional
mean,
fan का opinion है ये. Let's be
Where is
honest.
Lewis recently? Where is he?
And to be
Now
honest,
that,
he made the best decision of going to Ferrari by the end of the day in 24. By the start of 24, he made a
Because
flag, red
Ferrari
flag, red flag.
deserves that. Because Ferrari has given him that much because उसने अपना earn
I
करा है.
love-
Not any driver.
I
क्या
love
भी
how
He
किया.
has
much
been the
Ferrari
top
has
constructor
Love
this
how
whole
he chose the
time.
reddest flag to go to of all, and paying all the entire Ferrari.
Actually, the reddest flag would be the greenest flag.
That's why
which
he's
is
going to Ferrari.
Now it's starting.
the downhill path
Exactly. हर किसी का थोड़ा सा bad phase आता है. So
Exactly,
what?
exactly.
But people know कि उसने इतना कमाया है. That's why Ferrari is like, we want him and we're getting
Fair
him.
enough, but does that take away the fact that Max Verstappen is currently heading and Lewis Hamilton is nowhere in the championship, not in the competition in the first place?
So he's not just like कहीं भी नहीं है. वो अभी भी जीत रहा है. But obviously with time
He's not out of the game.
Yeah, he's not out of the game.
He's
Exactly.
not in it
Okay, he's-
as
He's
well.
in the game. That's why he won.
He's not very
What?
in it
No,
either.
no. Let's see what he got.
Where is it?
Bye bye.
Max's risks, nepo privilege, Lewis earned his place.
I know.
Facts.
Exactly,
They have
facts.
3
Facts.
pointers they're gonna stick to.
100% true facts.
Yeah.
Go on.
What have you got?
Bro, do you agree that Max Verstappen is a product of Project Verstappen? Do you agree or not?
मतलब he
Define
was
Project
brought up
Verstappen.
Yeah,
he was
please.
brought up to go into racing That
Exactly.
was
I
racing.
agree.
Okay.
100% agree. He was brought up to be there. Every
So
the
did
entire
was Lewis
supports.
not brought up?
No. Lewis did not grow up in an F1 family. He was not given it. Oh, please, आके ले लीजिए. He had
So
to
you
work
think-
his
so
way
you
hard
think Project
out of the
Verstappen,
industry.
Industry project, everybody was behind that, and so Verstappen, मतलब Lewis के against सब कुछ था, and Verstappen के favor में सब.
What?
Nobody is discounting that Verstappen
So,
is very
just
skilled.
one
Nobody is
simple
discounting
question.
that.
We can
Lewis
see that.
worked extra hard because he's the first black
Only
British
one-
driver
only
to
one
make it in
question. Only
F1.
one question. Only one question. If you're
Excuse
so
me?
hell-bent on industry project Verstappen, everyone was behind him. The fact that that project was so good that we're having this debate, despite you having 7 championships
It works.
and us having 3, that tells you all about you need to know about the project.
Hello, nobody
Says
is
it all.
discounting that.
He has
Ever
came
since
there
How
and
many
he has
Nepo
earned
kids do you
it.
know in F1?
Yeah.
How
Ananya
many
Pandey.
Nepo kids?
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं
अनन्या पांडे.
In
अगर
F1.
उसको F1 गाड़ी मिल गई ना, I am fucking killing myself.
Lewis's best is considered the modern era's worst thanks to Max. Oh
Wow.
my God, please. Just insane.
Is it like
Disagree.
Then what?
Were you involved in writing this cue card?
Now, if you look at Max's stats,
Yeah.
okay, 2023, how many wins did he have?
2023 के अलावा भी बात कर ले. उससे पहले ऐसा लगे आप लोग ना भूलना चाहते
करो,
हो.
20
सात
वाला
titles हटाओ अभी बात करते हैं.
Exactly.
To be fair
They
to
just
both the
want us to
drivers,
focus on things which are only good and goodies.
Because
and
that's when
which
you
are earned
started
by Max.
watching.
See.
2021.
Yeah, exactly. I'm not denying the fact. I'm not denying the fact.
Excuse me, हम तारा पंप से देख रहे हैं, please.
Exactly.
Okay.
तो
sure.
Lewis
Hard
Hamilton
relate.
कौन से
Whatever
year
you
में आया
say.
था?
2007.
ठीक है, तो तारा हम देखिए.
I mean, you all don't have a point. All
We
you
have a
have
point.
are 7,
We have a
3.
point.
bus 7,
तो
bus
तुम भी
7.
तो
That's what
11
you just
तुम भी
said.
तो 11 और 19 ही कर रहे हो. तुम क्या
That's just
ठीक
came
है,
out.
let's just-
a lot of people have been in the game for a long time, but he has dominated the game for a really long time.
One simple question.
Yeah.
Lewis Hamilton left Mercedes, created one of the biggest news ever in F1, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because he has
Yeah.
that fan following.
Who is
Yeah.
that one driver in the entire grid, since you're talking the entire grid,
Yeah.
there's one driver on the entire grid who can make a bigger news by switching to Mercedes.
What did he say?
Point taken, next call.
Lewis takes the fashion memo more seriously than their racing ones. Again,
He comes looking like Elton John.
bro, hands down, he's
He
the more
comes
hottest
looking like Elton
one.
John.
That is the
I'm
only
sorry.
reason why people
It's
like him.
racing.
No,
if,
no, no.
If the man can
That's
kill
how
it,
we want to take
if
it.
the man can kill it on and off the field, what's the harm in
He's
it?
not
Okay.
currently killing
Killing
it
it on
on
the
the
track.
field.
But he's still
And-
winning.
Off is
Do you
all
wanna-
his
He's
do
still
you want-
winning.
Do you want us to say he dresses better than Max Verstappen?
Of course.
Of course.
And that is relevant.
Agreed.
Of course.
Agreed.
Yeah.
It's point of debate है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
His
That is
personality.
relevant.
तुम्हें तुमको जर्सी पहननी है, जंप सूट पहनना है, गाड़ी चलानी है, मैक्स वर्स्टैपन और लुइस से बैटर करना है, उसके
Over,
पीछे तुमको
yeah.
जो मैट गला जाना है, जाओ.
Max is
Yeah.
raw and natural talent beats the conventional racing method of Lewis.
The fact you almost agreed with
Yeah. Your face said it.
place.
Yeah.
ये फंस गया सीएम.
Hilarious. You guys are really funny, I must say.
Thank you.
Right. We make a good
Thank
living
you.
out of it, just like
Yeah.
our rival does. But, okay, do you have anything to counter against it?
I would say Max has a racing style kind of like Senna.
Yeah.
Senna and Prost combined though.
Wow.
He is-
Defend that.
एक सेकंड, मैक्स इज रॉ एंड नेचुरल टैलेंट, बाकी
No,
सब
no,
क्या
no,
क्या
no.
चने के खेत में है.
Exactly.
किसी को और कोई
बाकी
टैलेंट
सब
नहीं
ऐसे ऊपर
है,
आ
क्यों
गए.
रॉ ही नहीं है, कोई
बाकी
नेचुरल
में
है.
ऐसे
said
ही
it.
है.
I think by
Please
raw and
defend Lewis
natural,
Hamilton,
you mean
not attack other
aggressive.
drivers.
If you have problems with aggressive driving wheel to wheel, then you probably have a
If
problem
there's
with
a
that.
gap
I'm
that
just
exists
saying
and you don't go
Raw's-
for it, you're no longer a racing driver.
Max is genuinely the better in terms of the raw talent and what he can extract out of the car.
I just feel that Lewis has been driving for such a long time. He's not that amateur कि वो कोई भी ऐसे कुछ भी रिस्क ले लेता है. वो सोच समझ के ड्राइव करता है. He takes very calculated risks.
risk. Oh,
Yes.
so you're saying it's lambi race ka ghoda.
Exactly.
And he's
Thank
saying-
you.
And end this debate here because there's no end.
Because
Yeah.
obviously, I agree. There is definitely.
There is no end, and there's
There is
only
no end.
one
Let's end
winning,
this.
which is Max.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure, of
There's
course.
only
Yeah,
one
of
goat,
course.
which is Lewis.
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah,
never
yeah.
See, he also
Yeah.
agrees.
There is only
Max-
one goat, which is RV.
Raju is saying for the win.
That's all.
That's what you call a mind
Yeah.
child stuck in the past.
Hamilton when he sees Latifi. That's your only excuse. Only excuse, man.
I'm gonna run the
Move
entire
on.
race.
That's
Yeah,
just an
move
excuse.
on.
Of course.
And then you'll see Christian Horner supporting Latifi.
That's what gifted
हाँ, चलो
Max
चलो,
the
बिल्कुल
win.
बिल्कुल.
Poor
Basically.
child,
Obviously.
he's just running. बेचारे ने, he did what he was always doing in F1.
Crashing.
साल से.
अरे भाई
Just
हाथ
one
में ऐसे मिले
क्रैश
नहीं।
करते करते 7 टाइटल लिया है, ठीक है क्रैश ही कर लेते हैं।
Latifi
की बात चालू है।
DTS fans.
इसी वजह से मैक्स जीत पाया।
He was going in an explosive manner. You know how Joker walks and उसके पीछे explosion होता है?
हंसना था।
नहीं हंसना था, आपके लिए
समझना
joke
था
नहीं
कि
है।
तुम्हारे वाले की लगी है.
Did you like the attention? No. Sir Lewis arriving at the parrot every race weekend.
ये कार्टून जैसा दिखता है वो।
ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
सी अभी कार्टून चलेगा। अभी you can say कार्टून।
He's got a very fun personality. What's wrong with that? Okay, Lewis checking the barriers before sending Max into the. I mean,
See, that's an absolute
Raw and natural talent.
good.
yeah,
good
I think Lewis is also raw and natural. That's why this is happening because he's also that good.
Actually,
He's
it was
sending people into the
actually it was very satisfactory when Max went into that thing.
Yeah, Mercedes and out. Yeah, Brazil, Austria.
It was
Mr. Worldwide.
Max became the youngest driver to win a Formula One race at what age?
It's 17 or 18. I'm gonna say 18.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yay! One.
Come on, Lewis fans.
Which Grand Prix saw Max and Lewis start side by side on the front row for the first time?
Italian.
No.
Austin.
No.
On this for the
Austrian.
first time.
Japanese Grand Prix. Japanese Grand Prix.
Correct.
For the first time. Was it Japanese?
Yes.
Grand Prix 2000?
She answered.
I answered.
In winning his first WDC, Max prevented Lewis from securing which title?
8th.
Perfect. Lewis Hamilton equaled Michael Schumacher's record of 7 WDCs in Abu Dhabi GP 2020.
Come on, Aziz.
2020.
I pressed the first.
I pressed first.
Aziz got it. Aziz got it.
His fingers are on top of mine.
Aziz got it.
He got it.
2020.
got
I
it.
pressed it first. I pressed it first.
Aziz, come on.
2020.
Aziz got it.
Goes to Aziz because he pressed it.
That's so
Yeah.
fair.
Oh,
I pressed on top of mine.
This-
I pressed first.
This video is sponsored by Red Bull.
Exactly.
In the 2021 Formula One season, what was the final point difference between Lewis and Max after the Abu Dhabi GP?
Wow.
It was not 8.
It is 8.
7?
It is 8. It is 8.
Wasn't it 7?
See,
Yeah,
see.
एक बार जीता यार.
Who set the fastest lap in 2021 Saudi Arabian GP, impacting that championship battle?
Saudi.
He pressed
You
it
did it,
first.
you-
He pressed
he
it
did
first.
it,
He
he
pressed
did
it first.
Yes.
Max
He pressed
fans
it
did it.
first.
Come on.
He did it.
He pressed it first.
Max did it. I mean, sorry, Max fans did it.
With this, Hamilton's team wins.
Don't debate me. So finally, 8th legitimate win for Lewis Hamilton.
The only legitimate win for Lewis Hamilton.
Of course.
No. He deserves it. He deserves it.
Yes.
Losers.
Because tomorrow
losers,
Michael
far
Nasi should
losers.
Cry
I mean,
for
yeah,
it.
sorry.
It's okay. Far losers.
Yours, Michael Nasi being your favorite guy.
It's okay. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe to Chai Tea.
For all the tea between Lewis and Max fans, which they're gonna lose.
And more.
Oh, we're gonna win. Bye, bye, bye.